Hi, in this video I'm going to guide you regarding the job openings in Maldives. First of all, we will discuss about the job, salary, processing time and our expenses. Very straightforwardly. Please watch this video very carefully because if you will not follow the information, if you will not follow the guidance which is given in this video, we will not process your application. So first of all, let me tell you, the question is who can apply. All nationalities can apply. Whatever your nationality is, no problem, you can forward your application. What is the salary for MO? Very quick. The salary for medical officer is 1800 US dollar. As a medical officer, you will be paid around 1800 US dollar per month. There will be overtime. You can be earn around 2500 US dollar with overtime. Without overtime, it will be around 1800 US dollar. And you are not bound to do overtime. It's up to your desire and convenience. One thing should be very clear, that on your job offer letter, salary will not be written in dollars. Salary will be written in Maldivian rupees. So do not get confused. Salary for consultants: if you have post graduation completed after your training, you will be paid around 3500 US dollar. With overtime, it can be 4500 US dollar, more or less. On your job offer, salary will be written in Maldivian rupees currency. These are subject to change. Contract: it will be a 1-year contract, extendable. Yes, it will be extended. What are the facilities which you are going to get over there in Maldives? Accommodation: MOH, Ministry of Health, will provide you accommodation. As far as ticket is concerned, you have to purchase the ticket yourself. It will be refunded. It will be written on your job offer that ticket will be refunded. There will be daily allowances and overtime as well. That is very much clear that food is not included in the package. MOH is not going to provide you food. You have to pay for the food. You have to arrange yourself. You will manage your food yourself, right? Exam: most of the time this question is asked, is there any exam? There is no advanced exam for job in Maldives. There is no advanced exam for job in Maldives. But during the job, you have to appear for the exam. What if I failed? Your 1-year contract will not be extended if you are failed. What does that mean? That means you can still work for 1 year without any exam. You can still work for 1 year without any exam. But there will be an interview, not exam. There is no advanced exam for the job. As far as exam is concerned, exam is normally based on MCQs, and it is not tough. You can consult with USML Book 1 first aid. That would be sufficient. That would be enough to attempt the exam. Processing time: we cannot give you a fixed time because MOH is the decision maker. Processing time will be normally 1 to 3 months, more or less. And one other question is also asked, where are the jobs? What is the name of the hospital? Actually, it is the jobs of MOH. Ministry of Health is the sole decision maker. So MOH will decide where it is going to appoint you. We cannot tell you that this is the hospital, you will be appointed in this hospital. So MOH is the decision maker. MOH will decide where you are going to be appointed. Yes, MOH will take an interview on Skype. It will be a simple interview. As I told, they can ask you like How will you treat tuberculosis? Something like this. We will guide you regarding the interview if we receive your complete application. Let's talk about the expenses, our consultancy fee. We will charge you 50,000 PKR in advance, 50,000 after visa. Two things are clear. 50,000 in advance, 50,000 after visa. Initial 50,000 is refundable if you do not get a job offer. It will be refunded as it is. But if you withdraw your plan, if you cancel your plan, then initial fee will not be refunded back. Should be very clear. After reaching in Maldives, you have to pay $1,000 as well. These are the three stages of fees. You have to pay advance, you have to pay 50,000. After visa, you have to again pay 50,000, and after reaching in Maldives, you will be paying 1,000 US dollar. Is that clear? If you are not a Pakistani and you are from other country, we will not charge you anything in advance. If you're not Pakistani, we will not charge you anything in advance. You will pay 2,000 US dollar after reaching in Maldives. If any of the Pakistani want to go with this deal, no issue, you can go with this deal as well. What documents are required? This is the most important area. Most of the client do not bother to follow the instruction. You have to send your documents very clear in JPG format, not any other format, not even PDF format. That should be in JPG format, very clear, very readable. Do not send mobile photos. You have to send your graduation degree and transcript, MBBS degree, MD degree, whatever it is, and its transcript as well. Again, it should be JPG format, scanned JPG format, not from mobile photo. Do not send mobile photos again, please. Medical license, you have to provide medical license as well. You have to provide your house job, your internship, 12 months minimum. If you have any other experiences, you have to include that all those experiences. In experiences, most of the clients do not bother. They normally send evening and morning experiences. Only include one experience. We are not looking for your evening experience. You can send your full-time job experience. If you have only one, you can send any. But if you have two experiences for the same dates, overlapping same date, please do not send both certificates. Only send one certificate. You have to send higher secondary school certificates as well. All the documents should be in scanned JPG format. Only CV should be in MS Word format. Please do not send CV in PDF file. If you have any national identity, you have to send that along with your application. The moment we will receive all those documents, we will send you application form of MOH and MMDC along with a filled sample. You have to fill these applications. You have to fill these application forms with the help of filled samples. You can email us. Do not send mobile photos. Do not send unclear photos. Please send very clear, very readable documents. That should be very clear. Look at this video. How much this is clear. It should be like this. Where to send documents? This is the WhatsApp number. You can send on this number. If you are already in contact with any of the representative of office, you can send to that particular employee of the company. This is email. You can send all the documents on this email. Many clients will start texting us. Many doctors will start texting on WhatsApp. Believe me, we will not respond all those people who are just texting without sending complete, very clear documents. I'm sorry, we do not have so much time to waste with those people who are chit-chatters. Why this video is made, I cannot guide every individual separately. This video has sufficient information to send the documents. If you are not agree with our consultancy fee, if you are not agree with the salary scale, please do not forward your queries. You can simply drop your plan. There are many other doctors who are willing. Why I'm saying with this harsh word, with harsh tone, people start chit chatting with us yet do not send the documents. In this video there are complete information. Please follow all the information, send a complete and a very clear application. We are looking for, yes, we are looking for medical officers, we are looking for money as well, we are looking for business as well, but we are not looking for those who have so much time for chit chatting, who do not want to bother to watch the video guidance, because everything is given in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please follow all the instructions. You can watch the video again for your help as well. There's nothing else. This is the question normally people ask, why I'm not selected, why are you not answering me on WhatsApp? This is the reason why, because people do not send the document, people do not follow our guidance. Why I have made this video, so you can follow all and you can be knowing all the detail from this video. If you have still some questions, please send complete documents. I will respond your queries when I receive all the documents. Right? Thank you very much. Have a good day.